Hi friends, today we are going to see number system. Number system. In the number system there are two types, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So mostly in TNPC question paper they give a arithmetic progression only. They give a arithmetic progression questions mostly they give. Sometimes in geometric progression sometimes question will ask. Okay, so now we are going to see the arithmetic progression using a easy tricks. Okay, mostly in number system they give a general formula. Here also I denote the general formula for this. So this is the general formula for this arithmetic progression. Okay, not arithmetic, geometric, both of them. Number system, this is the general formula. This is a general formula. Okay, so we are not use this general formula because it will take a time. Sometimes in examination fear we will get a very tension. No, that time we will forget the formulas. Okay, so now I give some tricks to solve this arithmetic progression very easily. First of all, you have to find which is the arithmetic series, which is the geometric series if they give a question means. Okay, there are in arithmetic series difference between these two numbers 5 plus 11, there is a difference between 5 plus 11. So we first of all know the difference between these two. Okay, these two there is a difference between, this is in difference between the 5 to 11 6, 11 to 17 6. So 6, these are all the difference between these 5 plus 11. Okay, difference, or if the difference are same means that is the arithmetic progression. Given series you have to find that. Okay, in given series first of all you find the difference between the two numbers. So you will get a this, if difference are same means it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, it is an arithmetic progression. If difference are, for example, let's we take, okay, for example, for example, if they ask 2 plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, these are all difference will come. Okay, this is 2, this is 2 power. Okay, 2 power means 2 into 2, so 4. There are difference. Okay, they are not say same difference. Okay, this is a geometric progression. We consider this is a geometric progression. First of all you have to know the difference between the arithmetic series. If they give a series means you have to know the difference between the arithmetic series and geometric series. Okay, sometimes they will ask directly like this. Here they ask directly know some of the arithmetic series. Sometimes they will not ask. Okay, that time you can know the difference between the series. Given the number, you have to find the different series. If the series you will get a same difference like this is a 6, you get a 6 difference between these numbers. No, now you can identify this is a arithmetic series progression. Okay, most of us TNPC question paper you will get a arithmetic series only. Okay, actually I will get these questions from question paper itself. This is okay, this question they asked group 1, group 2 and some group 4 examination. This question is asked. Okay, so later we will, first of all we have to know the arithmetic progression. I will give us some tricks for you to solve. Okay, lastly we will see this problem. Okay, now we are going to see the general formula. Sometimes general formula also gives some, if you forget the tricks what I say teach you, that tricks you forget means you can use the formula also. So side by side I will say you a teach you a formula also. Okay. Okay, let's we move to the problem. Okay. Now we use the tricks to solve this problem. First of all, we will take on problem. For example, this question I took from school. Okay, school book. Okay, this question is I took from school book. That is, they give a 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 1, 1, 11 is the arithmetic series. Here they give a arithmetic series name itself. Okay, you have to find the nth term for this series. You have to find the nth term. Okay, nth term for this series. Next, here in the series we have a 3 is the difference. Okay, 3 is the difference between the 3 and 6. Here 6 for 6 and 9 3 is difference. Okay, likewise we use. So we here they ask nth term to find. Okay, first of all I will tell you a small tricks for you. Okay, you noted that n equal to starting number divided by last number. This is the formula for n. If they ask n means you can use this formula. That is n equal to starting number. Here what is the starting number is 3. If the difference is same means, okay, if note that point, if the difference is same means you can put that letter, first letter, and here. Okay, that is last number. Last number is what is here? 111. Okay, you write 111 divided by 3. 111 divided by 3, you will get a, when we simplify this, we get a 37 is the answer. Okay, 37 is the answer for nth term. So we find easily. Okay, using these tricks. That is n equal to starting number. What is the starting number is here? 3. 3 is the starting number. You put 3. Here last number is 111. So 111 divided by 3. We will get a answer is 37. 37 is the answer for this question. Okay. If they ask L, we will see the L for also. Okay. If they ask L means what we will do? Starting number. You use this formula for L. Okay. L is a starting value into n value. What we here we find, no, we found a n value, no, here. So here n value is 37. So here starting value, what is the starting value? Starting value is 3 here. Okay, you multiply the 3 into, what is the nth value? Here nth value. What is the nth value? 37. So 3 into 37, we will get a 111. Okay. Here last L is 111, no? You can find 111. Okay, it's correct, no? Now we will get a clear, okay, clearly you will get an idea. Okay, now n when you find n means you can use this formula. Okay, if you if they ask the question last term, L term means L means you can use this formula. For Sn, if they ask Sn, okay, if they ask sum of the series means you can use this formula Sn. You can use this tricks to solve this problem. Okay, don't use general formula. If you get a you can observe the general formula also. For sometimes you can forget the tricks, means you can use a general formula also. Here Sn equal to first value. What is the first value is here? 3. 3 is the first value plus what is the last number? Last number is 111. So L, we already find the L, no, 111. So you put a 111 by 2 into what is the nth value? what is the nth value is here? 37. So you can simplify the 114 by 2 into 37. Okay, you can simplify this problem. We will get a answer. Okay, here you simplify the problem, you will get a answer. Okay, in this problem, this is the tricks you have to use. You have, instead of general formula, you can use this tricks. If they ask in a series, if they ask find the nth term, means you can use this formula. If they ask lth term, L means you can use this formula. If they ask Sn, that is sum of the series, that is if they ask sum of the series, means you can find Sn. Okay, Sn, you write this formula, that is first value plus last value divided by 2 into nth value. You already find the nth value, no? You can put here. Okay, when you get simplify these values, you will get a answer. Okay. Okay, next problem. Okay, okay, we will go to next problem. This is another method. If they ask this, another method like this means, okay, that is 3, that is here they give 3, 15, 27, 39. Find the 15th term and 24th term, they ask. Okay, they already give the n. Okay, what is they ask? Find the 15th term and they give on series, they ask a 15th term and 24th term. So we are going to find the nth term also. Here already they give a nth term. That is, first of all we will get a answer. N, here n is a 15. Okay, here they ask a 15th term. So here n equal to, we put n equal to 50. Okay, n equal to 15 means, what is the difference between these numbers? Here 3, here what is the difference? 3 to 15, it's a 9. Okay, here the 15 to 27, 9 is a difference. Okay, 12 is the difference between 3 and 15. 12 is the difference. Okay, next, here the difference is 12. The difference is 12. Okay, here we add a 3 plus 9. Okay, if 3 plus 9 means we will get a 12 here. Okay, the difference is 12. No, we will put plus 9 for first term, first letter, that is 3. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Okay, so we will get a answer now. N equal to, first we have to find a 15th term. We are going to find a 15th term. So first of all we will take a 15th, n equal to 15. So the difference is what? Difference is 12. 3 to 15, 12. 15 to 27, 12. Difference is 12. So here is the, what is the formula for L? Starting value and n value. Okay, here is the starting value is what? 12. Okay, that is 3 plus 9. So 12 is the starting value. So 12 is difference. So we add a 9 with the starting value 3. Okay, we will get a 12. So we will when we simplify 180, 15 into 12 is 180. We will get a 180. So after that, so here we add a plus 9. No, here we add a plus 9 because the difference is 12. No, first value is 3, so we have to add plus 9. So here you have to minus 9. Okay, here we plus the 9. No, So we will get a 180 is the last value, last value, L is equal to, so you have to put minus 9. Here we add 9, so we minus the value 9. So we will get a answer 171. Okay, here if the difference is same means 3 3 3 3 3 means we never plus or add the here. Okay, here the difference is 12, no? Here the difference between this series 12. Okay, so we have to find the plus 9 for first number 3. Okay, so that only we here when we find the answer you have to minus the 9. What you number is here you used to add means that number you have to minus here. We will get an answer. Same method for 24th term. Okay, same method. In 24th term, here 12 into 24. 12 into 24 because starting value, what is the starting value? 12 into what is the value? That is last number. Here they ask nth term, no? N equal to 24. Here n equal to 15, so we put a 15 here. So here the n equal to 24, so we will put a 24 here. Okay, 24, that is 12 into 24. We will get a 288. So you have to minus the 9. We will get an answer 279. Why we minus here 7? Because we add a 9 here, no? First series the difference is 12, no? So we have to add 9, it will come 12. So that's why we minus 9 here. You put minus 9 here, we will get a answer 279. Okay, this is the one model. So these are all the types to solve the arithmetic series. Okay, now we are move on to the question. This is the question. Actually this question is asked in group 1, group 2, and also this is very important. Repeatedly they asked this question. Okay, now we are going to see this question. Here the difference for between the 5 to 11 is 6. Okay, here the difference is 6. So we add 1 in first number. Okay, first number and last number. So we will get a 6 and here 96. Okay, first for n equal to n, what we have to do? Okay, for n what we have to do? For n, starting number and divided by last number. Here is what is the starting number? Here is a 6 is the starting number. Okay, last number is 96. Because the difference is 6, no? Here 5 only. So we have to add 1. So we add 1. In the last also we add a 1. Okay, we will get a 96. Okay, so 96 by 6 we will get answer 16. So n equal to here is 16. If they ask L means here they ask a sum of the series. Okay, here in the question is find the sum of the arithmetic series. So we have to find a Sn. Okay, Sn we have to find. Now here is the difference is 6. So we add on in the first number and last number. Here n we find 16. Next we have to find L. Okay, L means what we have to do? For L, 6 first number into n value. Okay, first number into L, starting value into n number, we will get a 96. last value is L equal to 96. So we have to minus the 1 because we had 1 here, no? So we have to minus the 1 here. So we will get L is a 95 for Sn. Okay, now we are going to find a Sn, that is sum of the series. First number, what is the first number is here? 5. First number is here 5 plus what is the last number here? 95. So 95 divided by 2 into n value. Okay, n is a 16 here. So first value is 5 and plus 95 divided by 2 into 60. So 2 is 8. Here is 100. So 100 into 8 is 800. 800 is the answer. Okay. You have a small trick. You use the small trick. What I say here is the n equal to starting number divided by last number. L equal to starting value into n value. Sn equal to first value plus last value divided by 2 into n value. Okay. First value what is this here? 3. Okay. You put 3. Okay. Okay. These are all the small tricks you have to use for number system. Okay. Number system in the arithmetic progression. Okay. These are all the small tricks. So don't forget to use these small tricks because it's consume your time in examination. If clearly you can understand this. Okay. Use this formula what I told. Okay. What I teach you, you can use this small tricks to achieve your goal. Okay. Bye.